Hi, this is my review for WaveBlock. This is the packaging that it comes in. Comes with this very cool. I like the pictures and everything that are here. Looks very professionally done. Just gives you a little bit about their company here. This is the back. So this is the packaging it comes in. These are some cleaning wipes to clean your iPad. So this is my iPad. So this is the one we're going to be using to set up to apply the adhesive. So this is the WaveBlock adhesive. So what you'll be doing is you would take it and you would put it to the back of your device like this. And what I like is that they give you the step-by-step instructions here. So that's step one, step two, and then step three. So basically you take, you take the middle part off first, and then you take off the top part and then the bottom part. Okay, so, and it gives you everything on how to do it there. And then it also gives you some like a little thank you card, which is very nice. So again, their presentation of the packaging is very nice. And yeah, and hopefully this works, helps you with the EMF issues with your devices. So again, you just put it like this. You would take off, well, the first sticky I would take off would be this one, and then, just take it off from top to bottom. So just for the sake of time, I'm not going to do it in this video, but that's how you would do it. And yeah, that's basically it. So hope you enjoyed the review.